In this video, I show you how to have multiple accounts on Snapchat. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on Snapchat, and I just want to make it clear that this guide is going to work on all types of different devices, including iOS, Android, they're all going to work. So the first thing you need to do in order to go and add and have multiple accounts on Snapchat is go and tap on your Bitmoji in the top left of the camera page. So as you can see, I've got my Bitmoji in the top left. It may just be an empty picture if you haven't added one yet. Then all you want to do is go and tap on the settings gear icon or the cog in the top right of the profile page, just next to the share button, just here as you can see, and then your settings page will open. Then all you need to do is scroll to the bottom of this page, just like so, and at the bottom you've got this option for log out. And then what you actually need to do is go and tap on log out at the bottom of this page. Don't worry, you're not actually logging out, it's allowing you to add more accounts, it's all sort of part of the process. So go and press log out just like so and confirm, just like that, and here we are. Then as you can see I've actually got 2 accounts here. So if you want to go and add another account, then all you need to do is press use other account, just like so, and then you can go and log in if you already have another account. Or if you want to go and create another one, then go and press sign up in the bottom left, just like so. And then you can go and type in your name and last name and go and fill in everything you need to go and create a new Snapchat account. So that'll be an email, a password, etc. and a username. And then you can have multiple Snapchat accounts. And every time you want to go and switch, all you need to do is press log out. So then if I want to go and switch to my main Snapchat account, which is RXB Tucker, I can then just go and tap on it and I'll log in. And here we are on my main account. As you can see, the Bitmoji is different. And then I can go and log out again, just like so. And then I can go and switch to my alt account, which is GuideRealm for these YouTube videos, and that's literally it. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.